Welcome to Video Tour, Toronto's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A brand new 1990 China 151. This China is powered by Alpha engine and automatic transmission. Experience luxurious dining with our new 1990 China 151 set. Offering exclusive elegance for your table that brings life to every meal. Upgrade your dining experience now. This pre-owned 151 comes with many comfort and luxury, safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with remote start, keyless entry, bed liner, tonneau cover. Safety was put first by the following features: backup camera, rear hitch/receiver, ABS brakes. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.